So quite a few of you have asked for a tutorial on how to style your hair. So I'm gonna give you what I got. First of all, check out the roots. What? I'm gonna start by applying one of my favorite products, Liquid Spell. This comes out as a foam, but really it's not what I would consider a mousse. It's more of like a volumizing boost. I don't need volume in my hair, but for me, this product gives my hair a little bit of texture that I like. And I'm applying it a little bit at a time. As I tell my clients, put the product on your hands, rub your hands together, work it through your ends, and then go up through the top after you're done the ends. Next, I'm gonna rough dry my hair. So I'm just gonna dry it. My hair takes forever to dry, so I'm gonna do that on fast motion. A few blow drying tips. I just rough dry my hair. I don't go in with a brush. I'm gonna use a hot tool on it, which will give me the look that I want. When you think your hair is dry, make sure you what I do is generally I'll hit it with a cool button just to see if it's actually just like hot, because sometimes it feels like it's dry, and then once you hit it with cool air, you feel all the spots where it actually still isn't. So give it a little bit of extra time, or do the cool button so you can double check. But make sure that your hair is 100% dry if you're going right into a hot tool. Next up, I'm gonna use a flat iron on certain sections of my hair. I am gonna section. The more you section your hair, the better results you're gonna get, especially if you're going from just rough drying it, because I don't have the smoothness to start with. So I'm gonna use smaller sections, and I do have really thick hair too. So I will show you. So next I'm gonna take a curling iron. This is my favorite. This is a 1 1/4 inch barrel. I'm gonna take that through the top sections of my hair. Again, I'm gonna take them in individual sections, about 1 inch or so, depending on your thickness of your hair. Once I get those curls in, you'll kind of see why I left this underneath straight. I wanted to maintain some of the length and keep it looking more sexy rather than cute. So it won't give me that like curly cutesy look. So here we go. Here's a really good tip. So see how this curl, see how the end's a little bit straighter? So what we do there is we take the section, take it in the curling iron. Remember, we only rough dried, so we have to go all the way to the root. Do about 1 full turn. And then what you're gonna do is as you come down, you're gonna kind of like pull it down. So it's still going through all the motions, but it's more drugged down rather than a big curl, which will give you like a cutesy curl. Now that it's all curled, all I do really, honestly, usually I just kind of leave, and then hopefully it looks good throughout the day. But you can give it like a little shake once it's cooled, just kind of finalize it. But really you don't want to run your fingers through it. You don't want to run a brush through it. You don't want to do anything like that, because then you're going to end up with smoother curls, maybe less throughout the day. So that is my little tutorial for all of you. I don't know if you can see the back, but please remember, we all have roots. There's ways to hide them in a fun way. So make sure that you're playing with styling your hair instead of something crazy. All right, I'll talk to you later. Thank you.